Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how exactly to go live on TikTok. Let's get started. Before you go live, make sure your account meets the requirement. You need to be at least 18-year-old and have 1000 or more followers. Now, open your TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the big plus button at the bottom to the created video. At the bottom of the screen, you see options like camera and templates. Swipe over until you find lens. If it's not there, your account may not be eligible yet. Next, give your live stream a catchy title. Keep it short and clear. This is what viewers will see. You can also add a cover image or topic depending on your TikTok version. Once everything looks good, tap the go live button and you are officially streaming to your followers. Interact with your viewers, respond to comment and make it fun. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.